Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I want to show you my new vanity mirror that I am absolutely in love with. This is from TETOTE, and it is their 28 by 36 gold aluminum frame mirror. So I think this is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted a simple mirror that didn't take over the whole bedroom. It has the brackets tucked away very nicely right here. But if you do walk by, they are visible. And personally, I like that because I think they are part of the design. So you are able to tilt it 10 degrees up or 10 degrees down, which is really nice because you can use it to put on your makeup, and you can also adjust the angle if you want to get a full length body view. I love the minimalistic frame that it has, and it is really a timeless piece. So it can go with many different decors, not just modern. If you have been in the market for a gold metal frame mirror, this one by TETOTE is wonderful, but that's just my point of view.